Hello, champ. Congratulations on clearing the NOS Level 1 exam. Welcome to India's most awaited and award-winning Olympiad finale, the NOF Champions League. We've prepared 4 sample papers, 40 questions each, with 3 video solutions to help you perform your best. Watch carefully, take notes, practice, and excel. Here is your science sample paper with solutions.
Hello students, welcome back to the NOF Science Champions League Class 2. Now we are going to solve sample paper 4 step by step. Listen carefully and follow the explanation in one smooth flow. So let's begin with the question number 1. Question number 1. I am green and flat. I make food. Imagine that. What am I? A. Flower. B. Stem. C. Leaf. Or D. Seed. The correct answer is option C. Leaves are green flat parts of the plant that prepare food using sunlight, air and water. This process is called photosynthesis. Since food is made mainly in the leaves, they are known as the kitchen of the plant. Therefore, the correct answer is leaf. Our next question is question number 2. What do these all plants have in common? A. These have hard stem. B. These are herbs. C. These are bushy. And D. These are shrubs. The correct answer is option B. These are herbs. The plants shown are small in size and have soft green stems. Such plants are classified as herbs. They do not have hard or woody stems since they are herbs. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 3. Which of these plants grow tall? A. Banyan, palm and grapes. B. Jasmine, coconut and palm. C. Cucumber, money plant and palm. D. Coconut, palm and banyan. The correct answer is option D. Coconut, palm and banyan, all trees with strong trunks. They grow much taller than climbers or creepers. Therefore, option D is correct. Coconut, palm and banyan. Question number 4. Identify the part of plant that makes food for it. A, B, C or D. The correct answer is option A. Why? Because the pictures in option A shows the leaf. Leaves make the food for plant through photosynthesis. So the correct answer is option A. Next question is question 5th. Which of the following statements is correct about the animals? A. All birds can swim. B. All insects have wings. C. Domestic animals live at farm. D. Wild animals can be pets. The correct answer is option C. Domestic animals such as cows, goats and hens usually live on farms with humans. Not all birds can swim and not all insects have wings. And also wild animals cannot be kept as pets. So the correct statement is option C. Domestic animals live at farm. Our next question is question number 6. A village experienced heavy rains and floods. Which of these would survive the flood and why? A. Ants, it can swim. B. Lion, it can eat fish. C. Frog, it can swim in water. And D. Giraffe, it is tall. The correct answer is option C. Frog. Frogs are amphibians that can live both on land and in water. Because they can swim, they can survive floods better than other animals. So the correct answer is option C. Frog. Question number 7. I am dash based on what it eats. A. Herbivore. B. Omnivore. C. Carnivore. And D. Decomposer. So let's have a look at the image. It is an image of bear. And as we all know, bear is a omnivorous. So the correct answer is option B. I am an omnivore based on what I eat. Question number 8. Which of the following groups has animals correctly grouped based on their type? So option A says cow, goat and lion. B. Elephant, rabbit and horse. C. Deer, fox and tiger. And D. Dog, cat and crow. So the correct group is option B. Why? Because elephant, rabbit and horse are all herbivores that eat plants. Other groups are mix of animals that different food habits like carnivore, omnivore and herbivore. Therefore option B is correct. Our next question is question number 9. Kiran loses her balance while running. Which of the following organ is not working properly? A. Feet, B. Skin, C. Eyes, and D. Lungs. The correct answer is option C, that is eyes. Eyes help us maintain balance and judge movement. If eyes are not working properly, balance can be affected. So, therefore, the option C is correct. Our next question is question number 10. Choose the correct match of the action to its main organ. A. Eye for watching movies. B. Legs thinking, dancing. C. Ears feeling pain. And D. Hands listening. The correct match is option A, which is eye to watching movies. Eyes help us see and watch things like movies, and thinking is done by the brain, feeling pain by skin, and listening by ears. So the correct option is option A. Question number 11. Which of these organs pump blood? A. Muscles, B. Brain, C. Stomach, or D. Heart. The correct answer is option D. Heart. The heart pumps blood to all parts of body. Blood carries oxygen and nutrients. Therefore, option D is correct. Question number 12. Dash and bones give us shape. A. Stomach, B. Muscles, C. Brain, and D. Skin. The correct answer is option B, that is muscles. Muscles along with bones give shape to our body. They also help in movement. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 13. Observe Ria. What type of diet is she following? So we can see in the image she is eating eggs. So option A says balanced meal, B says junk food, C says fatty food, and D says bodybuilding food. So the correct answer is option A, that is balanced meal. A balanced meal contains of all type of nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, vitamins and minerals. Since Ria is eating variety of healthy foods, she is following a balanced diet. As we can see, she is eating rice and eggs together. So it is a variety of different fruit which has carbohydrate, protein, vitamins and minerals. So it is a balanced diet. Our next question is question number 14. Choose the group of food items that will protect you against diseases. Option A, option B, option C, or option D. The correct answer is option C. Why? Because the food shown in option C contains fruits and vegetables rich in vitamins and minerals. These help protect our body from diseases, and these are also light fruits. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 15. Which item does not help you grow well? Option A, option B, option C, or option D. Option A shows pineapple, B shows sprouts, C shows biscuits, and D shows milk products and fruits. So the correct option is option C. Why? Because the item, that is biscuit, shown in option C is junk food and does not help in body growth. Healthy foods like milk and fruits and vegetables help us grow. Therefore, the correct option is option C. Our next question is question number 16. Which of these are sourced from plants only? A. Spinach, almond and wheat. B. Potato, honey and eggs. C. Egg, rice and milk. And D. Rice, tomato and egg. The correct answer is option A. Spinach, almond and wheat all comes from plants. Eggs and milk come from animals. So the correct answer is option A. Spinach, almond and wheat. Our next question is question 17. Floods hit Sanvi's village every year. What could be a better choice of house for this area? A. A stilt house. B. A tent. C. A mud house. And D. An igloo. The correct answer is option A. A stilt house. Stilt house are built on raised platforms. This help keep homes safe during floods. Therefore, option A is correct. Question 18. Choose the correct clothing type to its source. A. Sweater, cotton plant. B. Silk sari, sheep wool. C. Leather jacket, silkworm. And D. None of these. The correct answer is option D. Why? Because sweaters are made of from wool, silk from silkworm, and leather from animal skin. Since all the given pairs are incorrect, The correct option is option D, none of these. Question number 19th. What materials is used to build this type of house? A. Glass and canvas. B. Mud and bamboo sticks. C. Canvas and bamboo sticks. D. Cement and glass. The correct answer is option B. The correct answer is option C, that is canvas and bamboo sticks. The house shown is a tent and it is made using bamboo sticks and canvas. Next question is question number 20. People wear uniform A to look healthy, B to look funny, C on festivals, D in schools only. The correct answer is option D. Uniforms are commonly worn in schools to maintain discipline and equality. Therefore, option D is correct. Question number 21. Which of these activity is done at Diwali? A, B, C or D? The correct option is option D. Why? Because we make rangolis, we fire crackers and we also fire diyas. So the correct answer is option D. Moving on to the next question, that is question number 22. Choose the correct statement. 1. India is a country of festivals. Second, Holi is a festival of colors. A. 1 only, B. 2 only, C. 1 and 2 and D is none. The correct answer is option C. 1 and 2. India celebrates many festivals and Holi is known as festival of colors. Since both the statements, that is India's current country of festivals and Holi is festival of colors, so both are correct. Our next question is question number 23. Our neighbors are our family. A. Yes, B. No, C. Sometimes and D. Not sure. The correct answer are no. Why? Because neighbors are people living nearby, but they are not part of our family. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 24. Tina is decorating her house and church. She is learning carol also. Which festival is she celebrating? A. Onam, B. Eid, C. Christmas or D. Guru Purab. The correct answer is option C. Decorating church and singing carols are part of Christmas celebrations. Therefore, option C is correct. Next question is question number 25th. Identify a safety gadget. A is an image of scissor. B is an image of bat and ball. Image C is a helmet and image D is a firecracker. The correct answer is option C. The item shown, that is a helmet in option C, is safest gadget used for protect us from injury, and this is mainly used for protecting us from head injuries. So the correct answer is option C. The next question is question 26th. Which of these is a good habit? A. Leaving toys on the floor. B. Climbing on furniture. C. Ignoring wet floors. And D. Helping clean up spills. The correct answer is option D. Helping clean spills prevent accident and keep the house safe. Therefore, the correct answer is option D. Question number 27th. Which of these safety gears you would need for swimming? A, B, C or D? So for swimming, we will need a tube. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 28. You see a puddle of water on the floor at home. What should you do? A. Jump over it. B. Ignore it. C. Walk through it. And D. Call an adult to clean it up. The correct answer is option D. Water on floor can cause slipping. Informing an adult helps prevent accidents. Therefore, you should always call an adult to clean it up. So the correct answer is option D. Question number 29th. Which of these is not found in pure air? A. Oxygen. B. Water vapor. C. Dust. And D. Smoke. The correct answer is option D. Pure air does not contain smoke. Smoke pollutes air and harms health. So the correct answer is option D, that is smoke. Question number 30. What will happen if there is no air around us? A. We can still breathe. B. Birds can fly higher. C. We will not be able to breathe, and D. Water will flow faster. The correct answer is option C. Air is essential for breathing, and without air, living beings cannot survive. So we will not be able to breathe. The next question is question number 31. Which of these does not use air to move? A. Car, B. Windmill, C. Kite, and D. Flag. The correct answer is option A. Cars run using fuel, not air, and windmill, kites, and flags depends on air movement. So the correct answer is option A. Question number 32. If you see a plastic bag stuck on a tree, what should you do? A. Burn it, B. Ignore it, C. Remove it carefully, and D. Fix it on the tree. The correct answer is option C. Remove it carefully. Plastic harms trees and environment, so removing it carefully helps protect nature. So the correct answer is option C. Our next question is question number 33. Name the rock used to build the Taj Mahal. A. Chalk, B. Marble, C. Slate, and D. Sandstone. The correct answer is option B. Marble. The Taj Mahal is made of white marbles. So the correct answer is option B, that is marble. Question number 34. When playing outside, which source of water is safe to drink? A. Rainwater, B. Fountain water, C. River water, or D. Filtered water. The correct answer is option D. Filtered water is clean and safe for drinking. Other sources may contain germs, so you should always drink filtered water. Next question is question 35. Identify the source of water in nature. A. Water bottle, B. Tap, C. Ice, and D. Rain. The correct answer is option D. Rain is a natural source of water, and other options, that is water bottle, tap, and ice, is man-made. So the correct answer is option D. Next question is question 36. Which of the following is the smallest rock? A. Mountain, B. Pebble, C. Boulder, and D. Hill. The correct answer is option B. Why? Because pebble is the smallest type of rock among the options. Mountains are very big, hill is little bit smaller than the mountain, and boulder is smaller than the hill. The next question is question 37. How do we get light on the earth? A. From the bulbs, B. From the sun, C. From the moon, and D. from the Mars. The correct answer is option B. The sun is the main natural source of light for earth. So we get light from sun. So the correct answer is option B. Question number 38. The changing shapes of moon are because of dash of the moon. A. Air, B. Water, C. Movement, or D. Size. The correct answer is option C. The moon appears to change its shape due to its movement around Earth and reflection of sunlight. So the correct answer is option C. Question number 39. Identify the star. A. Moon, B. Jupiter, C. Sun, and D. Earth. The correct answer is option C. The sun is a star that gives us light and heat. So the correct answer is option C. Moving on to our last question, that is question number 40. How many planets are there in our solar system? A. 5, B. 8, C. 9, and D. 6. The correct answer is option B, that is 8. There are 8 planets in our solar system. After Pluto was classified as dwarf planet. Before that, there were 9 planets, but Pluto is a dwarf planet. So the correct answer is option B, that is 8. So students, excellent work. You have completed sample paper 4 with full understanding, and keep practicing, stay confident, and all the best for your exams.
Don't forget to like and subscribe for more useful content.